Hey, welcome. Hey, welcome. And finally, we are going to be able to pick image from our gallery. Okay. Now to do this, we have to go now to the register screen and Ctrl and B to make this wide. And in order to make this cleaner, what we can do is we can create a new function and we can call this select image. Okay, and now we need access to the auth controller class, and you can see we already have it over here. And we're going to be using the await, and in order to use that, we have to use the async over here. Okay, and now we can then say await underscore auth controller, and we want to access the pick profile image. And now you can see it is asking for the source, that is how we want to be able to pick that image. And this is going to be image source dot gallery. You can see we as well have the camera, so we can easily just duplicate this function, and this is going to be select. Maybe we can just call this select gallery image. Okay, great. And now we can store this also in a variable. We can call this underscore image, and it wants us to specify the type. And at this stage, it is something known as u int 8 list. Okay, great. And finally, we want to store the image in a global variable. Or what we can just do, we can call this im. Okay, im. And over here, we can create a variable, a global variable to store that. And it's going to be a type of uint 8 list also. And no, okay, we do not want to assign any value to it, so it can be null. And we can call this underscore image. I think you've seen something similar to that of this before. So what we can then do is we can set state, and we want to store, okay, called the global variable called image, and we want to store the im to that. Okay, this is basically it. And now we can call the function. Where do we have that? Over here. We can then say select gallery image, and auth restart this or auth reload this. Okay, okay, and click on this. It's gonna take some time. Okay, sounds cool. Here comes our gallery, and we can easily just duplicate this, copy this, and you can see that was why we have to make it reusable. And this is gonna be maybe peak camera image, and this is gonna be camera. You can see that was why we have to make this reusable. Seems good. And you can also just have another icon, maybe somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can pick. Okay, I do not have any image, and you can see currently we did not pick any image. So we went to our gallery and we did not pick any image. And if not because of this check we have, it's gonna throw an error. So let's go check. So because we had earlier specified that if the user refuses to pick an image, then we want to show something or I think over here.